Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Ross employee account. To do so, follow some simple steps, which I'm going to show you. Firstly, open your web browser and search for Ross employee login. You can see the interface here. Click on the remote access login. It will take you to the login page for Ross employee account. Over here, enter your username of the account and your password. In case if you guys forgot your login credentials, click here, forgot your username or password to reset it. Once you do that, click on the login button. You should be able to log in to your Ross employee account. So that's all for this video. If you find our video helpful, please leave a like and please do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, hit the bell icon for our latest videos and drop a comment for reviews and more content like this. I will see you guys again in our next video.